Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make these zones and how to identify them easily, because most of the traders fail on making these zones and tend to lose money a lot. But it's very simple. Once you understand and backtest this, you will hopefully make a lot of profits. The first thing you need to do is go to a higher time frame. You can use the H4 or the 1 day charts. Those are the most helpful ones, and then you need to zoom out a lot so your chart looks small and you can identify where the price keeps hitting and going in the other direction. For example, this one, I think this is a good zone because the price was hitting it here as well and then broke, came back, hit it again, and then went up. And I think I'll take this one as well, because you can see the price keeps hitting this zone again and again, here also, here also. I'll take this one as well. You can see it hit it here, came back, tried hitting it, went up, hit here, came back. And I think I'll take this one as well. Okay, so these are the key levels of this chart. I have taken the GBP CHF. Once you're done making these key levels, don't have many key levels. Like I have seen people having a lot of key levels, like this one taking the top, or making this one as the key level, or making this one as the key level. You don't need these levels because these levels are not near your the market currently. So just keep your chart clean and it will be very easy for you to identify the key levels. So once you have made these key levels, then you go to the H1, or you go to a lower time frame. I would prefer H1 or M30. For this I'm taking H1. Once you're here, oh, I messed this up, no worries, I'll go back to the table chart and make it again. It was here, I think, yeah. Okay, once you're done with that, you go to a lower time frame, come here, and then you go to your key levels, okay, and then you make boxes around them. What do I mean by boxes? Is that the price sometimes, like here, it came back to the exact key point, but it won't always do that. So you have to make boxes. These boxes are like the zone. You can make it from the body of the candle to the wick. So if you make it like this, you'll find it easier in trading. Like for example, here, did it close? No, it did not. It's okay, we'll find another example. But most of the time these candle closes above this key level but not above the box, and once sometimes it closes above the key level and shoots up, but not always. So if you want, you can trade it like that, but then it will give you a 50-50 chance of the trade going in your direction. You don't want 50-50 chance, you need more chance, like 70-30, so that you win most of the trades. We have made this zone here. Now look for the price hitting our key level again and make another box here. Okay, here, this is a key level. Now if I make a box here, there is no body, so we won't take it. We'll come here from the body to the wick and make the box. Okay, this was the key level, but the box is down here because this was the lowest low, and you need to make these boxes as soon as you make your key levels. So then you will know that where the price actually bounces off. If I stretch this box, you can see, and I stretch it more, you can see the price was hitting the resistance over here, went up, broke this, came back, tested the box, then went up, broke the key level as well, came back, tested it, but did not go up when it came back and tested it. And if we had a box over there, which we could have, like this area, like this area, uh, the price broke up, came back, and it should have retested it for us to enter within, I would say, I usually wait 3 to 4 candles on the H1, and when they retest, then only if this was the trade, I would buy it. After, if let's say this was the candle retesting, I would probably buy it, but it took a lot of time coming back to this zone. And here you can see the candles were getting smaller and smaller. So once you know how the candle works, once they are getting smaller and smaller, know that the momentum is what do you call, decreasing, and you cannot predict the market properly. Always wait for the market to play out. Don't just jump in whenever you want to. Always wait, and you'll have profits coming your way. Oh, you have this box over here. Price went up, was resisting the key level, broke, came back down, was in this zone again, broke again, then came down, came and touched this box again. Probably this is a good entry point for this trade, and you can have your take profit. Let's say 30 pips from here, or 50 pips, I would say. Yeah, easy 50 pips. But I'm not showing you how to trade on this, I'm just showing you how to make these zones. And I can show you as well here, like look at this. Price came, touched this is a rejecting candle, rejected it on this candle, but the bearish momentum was a lot. It broke, came back, tried touching the box, but it did not touch it quite well. So probably I would have missed this trade. Even though you wait a lot for the market, sometimes the market just shoots down and does not give you a retest. It's fine. There is not only one pair. You can trade uh, a lot of pairs. So just make these key levels on multiple pairs, and you should be fine. Let's find one more boxed area. Uh, Now this is fine as well. You can take it from here, make the box. Okay, you made the box. Now most of the traders, they don't make these boxes, they make these lines. When they make these lines, they wait for a break and retest on this line, and here the price broke and retested this line, so most of them would have entered a sell here. But you and I now both know that these boxes are very important for the trade, because price did not break this box. It came, touched this, and it was still in the zone. You and I both know that we are waiting for a break on this box. And here also you can see, if this was a lower time frame than H1 or M30, you would have seen this was a break. But I would recommend staying on the H1 or M30, because you can see fake outs clearly. This was a fake out to trap the sellers, and those sellers would have their stop losses on the key level, and they hit their stop losses and came back. This broke, retested it here, and then you would have sold the market and easily got those pips. This is one of the pairs I showed you on. Let it load. Yeah. This you keep your charts clean, and it will be very easy for you to trade it on. Let's do it on another pair.